Sometimes people ask me, what are you doing? And I usually answer, I create machines that destroy corruption and inequity. In the course of my life, I observed a lot of inequity, unfairness, and corruption. And I believe that decentralized computer systems can address these problems. My research tries to create the computer system that would be decentralized as the blockchain and have high performance as the cloud. One of the most popular centralized system is the cloud. Cloud has very high performance, it can store a lot of data, but at the same time, because it is a centralized system, it has all the shortcomings associated with centralized systems, such as trust abuse or single point of failure. Blockchain is a decentralized system. To understand how blockchain and decentralized systems work, we have to understand what decentralized consensus is. And a good way to explain it is through a famous mathematical problem called the Byzantine generals problem. In this problem, we have several armies surrounding the target, and they have to come up with a consensus whether to attack the target or to retreat. If only some generals attack while others retreat, they will fail. Now imagine a situation that some generals are traitors. For example, this general sends a message to this general, I vote for attacking. And then this general sends another message to this general, I vote for retreating. Decentralized computer networks, such as blockchain, they also have independent participants. And these participants can send messages to one another, one at a time. An attacker can create a number of fake participants, and they can disrupt the consensus of the network. Blockchain introduces a protocol that requires a lot of effort from each participant to write one message. For example, I want to attack. So then this message goes to this general. Now this general has to send the same message here, because there is no time to write I want to retreat anymore. And this is why blockchain is so notoriously slow. What we do in our research is that we use the cloud to create a special place for the generals to get together and securely communicate their decisions to one another. So we no longer need these messengers. And then they come up with the consensus and act upon this consensus. No traitors allowed. As a result, blockcumulus allows to preserve decentralization, but make it much faster. My research tries to create the computer system that would be decentralized as the blockchain and have high performance as the cloud. And we call this system blockcumulus. Blockcumulus is the combination of the word blockchain and cumulus, which is a Latin word for the puffy cloud. Existing research tries to address the blockchain scalability problem by fixing the blockchain itself. Despite the fact that they achieve some performance improvement of blockchain, it's still insufficient. In our research, we use a completely different approach. Instead of fixing blockchain, we try to run smart contracts on the cloud and use blockchain to secure this process instead. Within our blockcumulus system, we created a smart contract, Fast Money, which is a new cryptocurrency. And it allows to process tens of thousands of simultaneous transactions, which is similar to the throughput of credit card transactions in the world. I came up with the idea of blockcumulus long ago, but I did not have resources to implement it. And this is why I applied for 2020 Cloud Computing Fellowship. And as part of this fellowship, I was provided with everything needed, resources and training to implement this project and show the world how performant this system is.